So we're on our third and final example that I'm going to do with you here today, and it is limit as x approaches 5 from the negative side of 2 minus x over 5 minus x. Okay, so we go through our usual thought process and ask ourselves, are we approaching a vertical asymptote? Is there a way that we can cancel out or factor out, cancel anything out? So let's go through this. Looks like numerator, denominator, we are approaching a potential vertical asymptote here, okay, because if I plugged in 5 minus 5 would give me 0 in the denominator, vertical asymptote. Okay, so that's checkbox 1. And then the second thing is, can I factor anything out and cancel anything or anything of that nature? And it looks like I can't do that here, okay? There's nothing I can factor and cancel top to bottom. So it looks like we are definitely approaching a vertical asymptote here. The question just is the limit from the negative side, basically from the left side, approaching positive or negative infinity, okay? We know it's going to be one of these two answers. We just don't know which one, either positive or negative infinity. So then the only other thing to do is, again, if you're following that flow chart, it would tell you to plug in a number just to the right or left of that number. So here we are looking at 5 from the negative side or from the left hand side, so you want to pick a number just less than 5 and see where that takes us. Okay, so let's try 4.9. If I were to plug in 2 minus 4.9 over 5 minus 4.9, you don't even really need to do the calculation and get an answer. You just need to know that if you subtract 2 minus 4.9, you're going to get a negative answer on top. And if you subtract 5 minus 4.9, you will get a positive answer on the bottom. Okay? So in that case, if we're either looking at positive infinity or negative infinity, we know that if we divide a negative by a positive, it's going to give us a negative. Therefore, this would be moving to, approaching, or going to negative infinity.